In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Proton VPN PC login problems in 2026, including the common reasons why Proton VPN sign-in fails and the steps you can take to resolve them. So, if you're unable to log into Proton VPN on your Windows PC, the first thing you should check is your internet connection. Now, you can open your browser and visit a website to make sure your connection is working properly. Now, if your internet is stable, continue with the next steps. Next, check if you're entering the Proton password correctly or your username correctly. If you recently changed your password or enabled two-factor authentication, make sure you are using the updated login details and complete any verification steps required. If your credentials are correct but Proton VPN still cannot sign in, try restarting the application and close Proton VPN from the system. Try reopen it and attempt to log in again. Another possible fix is updating the Proton VPN application. You can visit the Proton VPN official website to make sure that you are using the latest version. Or you can just simply go to the settings and look for the update section and install the latest version available. Older versions may have compatibility issues that prevent successful login. You can also try clearing the app data. You can go to the Windows settings, open apps, find Proton VPN, and use the repair or reset option if available. This can fix corrupted files or configuration problems. If the issue continues, temporarily disable VPN-related network tools like firewalls or antivirus software that may be blocking Proton VPN connections. And after testing, make sure to enable your security software again. And lastly, check your Proton's official status page to see if there are any ongoing server outage affecting account access. And that's how you fix Proton VPN PC login problems in 2026. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.